Alrighty, so today we're kind of just focusing on calibrating a GPS sensor, installing a new throttle body. This one's a 70mm one that I bought from eBay, and it's gonna go into this new intake manifold. And to answer a couple questions from the last video, no, we are not completely finished installing this. I'm pretty sure some of the lines aren't going to the right place, but as soon as I figured that out, it should be good. I tried cleaning out the idle air control valve. It didn't really do anything, so just keeping it unplugged, but definitely replacing the throttle body and the sensors, and then trying to calibrate it today. So we got this for. So, quick update. I tried to do my best to calibrate the new TPS sensor and using that multimeter. And now I'm just going to be installing the new throttle body on it, connecting everything back, and then seeing how it goes. I just realized I didn't film any of the install, but got the new 70mm throttle body on, all plugged in. I don't know what else to do. It's still idling the same, but who knows? Hopefully we'll get it fixed soon, but that's pretty much it. I guess these videos are more just troubleshooting everything that's going on, not really fixing it yet, but stay tuned.